Hey everyone, here's a Toastmaster box fan model 4437. This was another one of my cleanup week finds, and when I found it, it was just covered in filth. It looked horrible, and after cleaning it up, it looks really nice, so I plan to keep this fan. Some of the grill slats are broken, and it had some paint all over it, but yeah, it came out pretty nicely. Has a small vent Macmillan motor, which I'll get to, and it was missing the handle. Just used one of those box handles, very similar to the original. Here's the side. And the back. All it needed really was a good cord and cleanup and oiling. And there's barely any rust on the bottom. Get back to the front, and we'll start off with low. We'll go to medium. And of course high. And off. Alright, thanks for watching.